This is TeslaMate, a free open source self-hosted data logger for your Tesla. Your car generates a goldmine of data every single day. Drives, charges, efficiency, battery health. Tesla's app shows you a sliver of it and forgets the rest within days. TeslaMate remembers all of it, every mile, every kilowatt hour, forever stored in a Postgres database on your own hardware, visualized in genuinely gorgeous Grafana dashboards. It has been at this for 7 years, and by deployment count, it's one of the most run self-hosted apps in the entire car world. The maintainers ship one security warning with it that you need to hear. That's at the end. Here's the scale nobody sees from the star count. 28.2 million Docker pulls. Not bad for a repository sitting at a modest 8,804 stars. That gap tells you exactly what kind of project this is. Not a hype cycle, but infrastructure. The quiet kind of software that tens of thousands of garages, closets, and Raspberry Pis simply run. Every day, for years, without anyone tweeting about it. TeslaMate was created by Adrian Kumpf in 2019. 1,284 commits of his are still in the tree. And here's a health signal most projects never manage. A real maintainer succession. Today, it's led by Jakob Lichterfeld out of Stuttgart. Fittingly, car country, under a community organization with 236 contributors behind it. The founder built it, the community carried it forward, and nobody had to fork anything or fight over a name. That is exactly how open source is supposed to age. Here's what you actually get. Grafana dashboards, dozens of them. Pre-built, no assembly required. This is the drive view, your route on an OpenStreetMap, speed, elevation, battery percentage, outside temperature, efficiency. Every drive you've ever taken, logged at high precision and queryable forever. There are dashboards for charging sessions, charge costs, efficiency versus temperature, trips, software updates, even a map of everywhere the car has been. If the car measured it, you can graph it and slice it by week, season, or tire set. The full feature list is long, so here are the highlights. High precision drive and charge logging. Charge tracking with actual cost accounting. Plug in your electricity rates, including time of use tariffs, and know what every charge really cost you. Battery health and degradation over the life of the car. Geofencing, so home, work, and the supermarket get named automatically. MQTT output, which makes Home Assistant, Node-RED, and Telegram integrations nearly effortless. Multiple vehicles on one account. And if you're paying for TeslaFi right now, there's a direct importer. Your entire history moves with you. Setup is the classic compose file. 4 services, TeslaMate itself, Postgres for storage, Grafana for the dashboards, and Mosquito for MQTT. One Docker, compose up, sign in with your Tesla account, and logging begins. It runs happily on a Raspberry Pi, any 64-bit model from the Pi 3 onward, or whatever box is already humming in your closet. 1 gigabyte of RAM gets you started, 2 is comfortable. The difference this makes day to day, the Tesla app is built for right now. It shows the current charge, maybe your last trip, and then history just evaporates. No degradation curve, no cost ledger, and what data exists lives in someone else's cloud on someone else's retention schedule. With TeslaMate, every drive and every charge since day one sits in your own database. You can answer real questions. What did charging actually cost me last winter? How much range has this battery genuinely lost in 2 years? Did that software update hurt my efficiency? The app can't tell you. Your database can. Now the question every Tesla owner asks first, won't constant polling keep the car awake and drain my battery overnight? This is where TeslaMate's most impressive engineering lies. Its sleep logic watches for the car trying to nod off and backs away immediately. No additional vampire drain isn't marketing copy. It's a headline feature the project has tuned for 7 years. You keep the data without paying for it in range. Owners obsess over exactly this. And the community's verdict after all these years is trust. And this is the dashboard that sells it for most people. Battery health, usable capacity over time, projected versus actual range, degradation plotted across the entire life of the car. Real measurements from your real battery, not forum anecdotes or a dealer's shrug. When you're deciding whether to buy out a lease, sell the car, or just settle an argument about charging to 100%, this one chart is worth the entire setup. The documentation deserves its own shout out. Install guides for Docker and NixOS, hardened remote access setups with Traefik or Apache, TLS, and basic auth included. Integration guides for Home, Assistant, MQTT, and Node-RED, importers from TeslaFi and Tesla API Scraper. and an FAQ that answers the questions people actually have. It reads like documentation written by the same people who answer the support threads. Because it is. If you've ever bounced off a self-hosted project because the wiki was 3 versions out of date, this will feel like a warm bath. The health numbers, for the record, 8,824 stars, 997 forks, 236 contributors, over 3,100 commits, and those 28 million polls. The repository was pushed to this very day, and the project carries an OpenSSF Best Practices badge, a security posture most hobby projects never even attempt. Boring, steady, trustworthy. The 3 best words in self-hosting. 7 years in, and the pace is accelerating. Adrian Kumpf started the project in March 2019. Now look at just the last 9 months. Version 2.2 in November, 3.0 in February, 4.0 in June. A release that resolved the owner API token errors that had been breaking Tesla loggers everywhere, at the cost of finally retiring 32-bit ARM support. 3 major versions in 8 months, this deep into a project's life is rare air. Now, the fine print, starting with the warning the maintainers publish themselves. There are fake TeslaMate websites and unofficial mobile apps in the wild distributing modified builds that can steal your Tesla credentials. Only install from the official repository and official docs. github.com, teslamate.org, and docs, teslamate.org, both linked below. Second, your Tesla API tokens are effectively keys to your car. TeslaMate encrypts them at rest, but the docs are explicit. Keep the instance on your home network and reach it remotely through a VPN or tunnel like Tailscale or Cloudflare tunnel rather than exposing it raw to the internet. Third, you need an always-on machine, 64-bit, a Pi 3 or newer works, and it's AGPL 3.0 with no telemetry. Your driving data goes nowhere you didn't put it. So, if there's a Tesla in your driveway and a Docker host anywhere in your house, this is a weekend project that pays dividends for years and costs you nothing but the electrons. The repository and the full Docker install guide are linked in the description. Tell us in the comments what you drive and what you self-host for it, and subscribe. A new open source tool lands on this channel every single week.